Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. My goodness. Yeah, my microphone was not working yet. Sorry, guys. So today we're going to learn about the date. Okay. So if you guys have any questions or have like asking something, if you have like anything to ask it, please write down in the chat, please. Okay. Because we need to record this video to spread out to another our Oceanian students. Okay. So if you guys can see my screen, and if you already prepared your class notes, and if you can hear my voice clearly, please write down in the chat with yes, please. Can you guys can hear me? If you guys can hear my voice clearly, and if you can see the screen clearly, and please write down in the chat with yes, please. All right. All right. Great, great, great. Okay. All right. Then let's go to our today's class. Okay. So today we're going to learn about the date for today. Okay. So in the South Korea, there's several words for describing with the different dates, which is year can be pronounced as 년. 년. All right. Next one, month, how you can speak out with 월. 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 Day, how you can speak out, you can say 일. 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 All right. It's not that difficult, isn't it? So next one, the reading. Reading is gonna be we're gonna use the Sino version based on the Chinese pronunciations. Okay, you know what's the Sino version, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the format is gonna be like this: Sino and the year, 년, and then month, Sino, the number, and then 월, month, and then Sino version, counting word, and then 일. All right. So this is gonna be the how you can writing down, how you can reading. Okay. So Sino is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So please don't forget about this format. Next one, writing. So for the writing, you just need to use the number. Super duper easy. So number and 년. So year, month, day is gonna be the format. But some places different with our Korean format, but this is the how we can writing down with the Korean format, okay, for the date. So number plus 년, and number plus 월, and number plus 일. That is gonna be the how you can writing down the date, okay? All right, next one. So for the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, and December, we have like different kind of months, right? So for the January, how you can say, writing is gonna be the number and month, right? So for the easy. And how you can read it, you can say 1월, 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 okay? February, how you can say 2월, 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 right? March, how you can say 3월, 3월, 3 is the 3, 3월, 3월. April, how you can say 4월, 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 right? May, how you can say 5월, 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 5월. June, you can say 6월. 6월 is kind of hard to pronounce it, right? Can you try? 6월 is kind of hard to pronounce it. So how they can speak out? They can speak with 6월, 6월. Okay, so you can write down with the number and word, but for the reading, you can use using with the 6월, 6월. All right. Next one. July. How you can say 7월. 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 August. How you can say 8월. 8 and 월. 8월. All right. September. 9월. 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 All right. And October, how we can say 10월. 10월 is kind of hard to pronounce it. Then how you can say then 10월. 10월. You can just write, you can speak out with 10월. All right. November, how you can say 11월. 11월. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1. So 11월. 11월. Then December is going to be 12월. 12월. This is how you can writing down with from the January until December. Okay, it's not that difficult, right? For the writing, you just need to use the number and the word, month counting word. And this one's going to be using some senior version. That's all. Okay, so this is the a few words for the describing some dates, how you can use it. Today, how you can say 오늘. 오늘. Tomorrow, how you can say 내일. 내일. Yesterday, how you can say 어제. 어제. 어제 is gonna be like this. Sorry, guys. 어제. 어제. And the day before yesterday, how you can say 그제. 그제. The day after the day after tomorrow, how you can say 모레. 모레. Right? Next one, the before is gonna be 전. 전. After or later, you can speak with who. Who. All right. So this is gonna be just example. So until here, everyone. It's not that difficult, isn't it? Until here, everything is clear, everyone. If you guys can understand with these parts, please write down with the chat with good, please. Then we're gonna go to the next session. Or if you have any questions, you can also ask in here as well. So far, so good? Good? All right, what else? Other people? Anyone? Please write down in the chat with your questions or yes. All right, good. Okay, then let's try with the practical class. Okay, so we already learned about this one. So since we already can, I believe we can write down with date. So let's try with the today's date. 2021, September 21st. How we can say? How you can say? With the writing, it's gonna be the easy. Okay, writing is gonna be the easy, but for the reading, how you can say? I'm gonna give you the writing version. This is gonna be how you can write it down. So you guys can write down in the chat with this one, the reading version, how you can writing down. You just need to use the senior version. That's all. It's okay. Take your time, everybody. It's gonna be takes a lot of time. So after the 5 seconds, then I'm gonna write down how you can use it. Okay. Right. So senior version. I think I need to turn on some hold on. I need to turn on some counting numbers for y'all, so you can use the material to calculate it. Okay. Hold on a second. So this one is gonna be there we go. This one can be helpful. Yes, this one. There we go. This is can be helpful. How you can say? Okay. So nobody, since nobody's just writing down, okay, I'm gonna teach you how to do. So 2021, how you can say 2000. The format is gonna be like this. 2 and which position? 1000 position. And there's no number for the 100 positions. Then you don't need to writing down. Then what's the next number? 2. And which position is it? 10th position. And then what was it? What's the next number? 1. So this is gonna be for the year, right? Then how you can say 2 is what? E. And 1000 is what? There we go. 1000. And next one is gonna be what? 2. E. And what is the 10? 10. And number 1 is 1. So 2021년. 2021년. And what's the number? What's that one? What's that one? The 9. 9 is what? 9. 월. And how we can using it that one? How we can pronounce it? 2 tenth position and 1. So it's gonna be what? 21일. So 2021년 9월 21일. That's all. This is how you can pronounce it. 2021 September 21st. Okay. Can you guys understand? Yes or no? You can just write down. Can you guys understand it? If you guys can say understand it, you can say yes in the chat. Or you, all right. Okay, good. All right. So, okay, then next one. Just a little bit. All right. Let's go step by step. So my birthday is gonna be like this. April 14th. This is my birthday. Please remember it. How you can writing down this one? You have a previous note, right? So how you can writing down this one? April 14. April is here. 14. How you can say 14? We'll give the example. I just gave you everything, guys. Please write down in the chat how you can say April 14. April 14. You can just try. It's okay. Step by step, everyone. So April is what? 4월, right? 4월. And then what's the 14? 10 plus 4. So 14. And what was the day? 1. That's all. 4월 14일. That's all. So easy, isn't it? Just need to using some senior version. Okay. For the writing, how we can use it? Super duper much more easy. Just using some number. That's all. This is how you can writing down. Okay. This is how you can reading. All right. So far, so good, everyone. Hope you guys are following in the right, like in the writing route. Okay, right route. Okay. Okay. Next one. I like the Christmas. Let's try with the Christmas. When is the Christmas, everyone? Can you write down with the Korean form? How you can writing down? When is our Christmas? With the Korean form. Don't tell me you guys don't know when is the When is the like? When is the Christmas? Okay. When is the Christmas? Please write down in the chat. Yes, correct. Yes, perfect. Then how you can speak with the December 25th? What's the format of the Korean writing? This is gonna be like this, right? Then can you guys try with the Christmas? How you can do this? How you can do this one? December 25th. How you can do it? December. Let's try. 10 plus 2. 12. E. This is actually I. My bad, guys. So perfect, Ivan. That is the how you can writing down. All right. Very nice. But how you can reading, everyone? How you can reading? Reading is you need to use the Sino version. How you can reading? 12월 25일 12월 25일. Okay, so if you have a if you doesn't have any confidence with this one, please watching our previous video, which is the counting and the number with our basic class. Okay, so like this, everyone. Okay, so that was done just for the month. Then let's try with another one. Okay, let's try with three days later. How I can say 3 days later. Sino version. What is the day? What's the counting word for the day? And then what's the later? There's the later over here. There we go. And what was the 3? 3. So it's going to be 3, right? Now you can say 3. And what was the counting word for the day? 1. And the later was 후. That's all. 3, 1, 후. Super duper easy, right? And writing just need to number, writing down with the number. 3, 1, 후. Just like this. Okay, not that difficult. All right, hope you guys are really not that difficult. Okay. All right, next one. Well, let's try with um, 5 years before. 5 years before. How you can say? Sino version, year counting version, and then before. How you can say? So hard. Step by step. If you watching, or if did you guys watch it our previous video with the numbers? Then if you, this is gonna be not that difficult. Okay, so Sino version. Oh, you really? Okay, all right. I think just need to then keep practicing. I think. All right. So Sino version 5. What is the 5? O. And year. What was the year? There we go. 년. right? So there we go. 5년. And then before was what? 전. All right, so that's all. 5년 전. 5년 전. All right, for the writing, it's going to be what? 5년 전. All right, Rihan, very impressive. Just like that. Okay, this is how you can pronounce it. And you can how you can reading and how you can writing. All right, until here. If you guys have any questions so far, please write down in the chat, please. (5년 전). Okay, John was like this. All right, nice try, Nisa. How about 3 months before? Okay, so 3 months before. So for the month, I think I didn't wrote it here, but before I already learned it. I already mentioned it before. This one is for the date, but when we go to, hold on a second. So only just for the month, you can write down with, I'll just write in here. Wait, where should I write it? Okay, just for the month. Yeah, we learned it before this one. You can just using some 개월. 개월. Okay, this is the counting word just for the month. Okay, so 3 months before, how you can say that? This is the counting word for the month. Then 3 months before, how you can say? 3 months before. See no version? Months counting words. And then before. How you can say? What is the 3 with the see no version? How you can speak with 3 in the see no version? How you can say, everyone? What is the 3? 3 is 3. All right. And after that, the month counting word was what? 개월. 개월. So 3개월. All right, perfect, Ivan, like that. 3개월 전. Very nice. 3개월 전. This is how you can writing down. Oh, you can reading. Okay. For the writing, how you can writing down? Super duper easy. Just using some number. 3개월 전. All right, until here, everybody. How was it, guys? All right, so I'm gonna share my screen. So until here, everyone, how was it? Is it too difficult? We want to speak out first, but I think we need some practice first, okay, before to speak out, okay? How about the 4 years ago? A bit difficult, yes, it is. But if you get used to it, it's gonna be really easy because we only using some Sino version, okay? If you get close to the, if you get used to the Sino version pronunciation, it's gonna be much more easier to understand about the date, okay? How about the 4 years ago? Super easy. Sino version of 4 and years with the counting words, and ago is gonna be the before, right? Meaning with the before. Then how you can say? 4 years before. There's the homework, Divine. All right, a bit difficult, but if you guys go with the like step by step, it's gonna be not that gonna be difficult, okay? So please keep practicing it. And next time, I hope we can like speak out with our practical class. Okay. And please don't be shy to answer it. If you guys are wrong, it's totally fine. Okay. Because nobody's going to scold you. Even now, I'm not going to scold you, everyone. Okay. Just want to see that you guys are trying your best. Okay. So you guys are doing really great, even that it's the difficult things. Okay. So let's go with the step by step. Okay. And thank you for watching for today, and see you at our next practical class. All right. Bye-bye, guys.